Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Park the car on level ground, engage the handbrake, and chock the rear wheels to prevent movement. Wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorting any front sensors or fog lights. Gather tools: Torx T20 driver, 10 mm socket with extension, flat screwdriver, plastic trim tool, and a small container for fasteners. Leave the steering straight, and if needed, turn wheels outward to access wheel arch clips. Prep takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Start by removing 6 plastic screws from under the bumper and 4 push clips inside each wheel arch using a flat screwdriver or trim tool. Next, turn the front wheels outward to reach the 2 Torx T20 screws per wheel arch and remove them. Reach behind the bumper to unplug fog light and sensor connectors. Label each plug. Carefully pry up the upper grille cover clips, then lift the top edge of the bumper to release the top clips and pull straight out at each side to free the lateral tabs. With a helper supporting the bumper, lift it slightly and pull outward to clear the lower lip, then tilt away and disconnect any remaining harnesses or washers. Inspect all plastic tabs, clips, and fasteners. Replace any broken clips to ensure correct alignment. To refit, reconnect harnesses, position side tabs into the wing slots, then press the top edge until the clips engage. Reinstall wheel arch screws, under tray fasteners, and tighten 10 mm bolts snugly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test lights and sensors before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.